So good morning everyone. I guess by the time I'm uploading this video, some of you might have solved the problem of editing cars. So the problem was due to some software issues. So for you to solve that problem, first of all, you need to connect your system to the internet. My own is not connected. Connect your system to the internet, then you launch the car software. If you launch the car software, install the current update that is going to come in with the cars. So if you install the current updates that will come in with the cars, then that problem of editing will be solved for you. Then, as you know, cars is not just about doing the offline work. Cars also include uploading and other things. So in order to have a successful upload, there are other things that WAEC have introduced in the CAS software that you need to not know about. So one of them includes the fact that you can delete the list of students offering a particular course and remove that course on the list completely. Assuming you made a mistake and registered a particular subject for your students, and you don't know what to do from there. All you need to do is you come into the software and remove that very subject completely. But let's look at the edit. You see, previously if you click the edit, this is on a Windows 11 system. Previously, if you click on the edit button, you have the error that shows up. I might not be able to edit this video because I want it to come out on an urgency. You see, previously I would not have this window displaying to me, but right now the window is displaying. You get it now. Right now the window is displaying. So as you can see, I am updating successfully, and all the students have a particular number of courses registered for them. So, and I also told you that WAEC has disabled the fact that you cannot pick a subject from a different course and then include it on a different category. So for example, if this was a science student and according to the previous configuration, I cannot select humanity and have science subjects here. So but that option has been removed, so you can now choose as many subjects as you want for your student, just in case an issue might arise later on while trying to do the biometric. You know, the biometric is already active, so we will be going into biometric very soon. Now this is the new update. The new update is that you can come here, (2023), and then you look for a subject. These not available subjects, these are list of subjects that have been previously registered for the students, but WAEC has removed it completely. But apart from this type of subjects, you can as well include subjects that have never been there. So even subjects that are available, you can decide to remove it completely for the students. So a total of 71 has been updated. So you see that right now these are the list of subjects that I have. You understand? So all the students have an updated subject, and this is also a place where you are going to be able to see your subject analysis, so that if a particular student, for example, if I come here, year 1 2023, let me assume for this candidate for this candidate, I decided to add I will add, let me select the category. I will add visual art for this student and update it. Then let me select this student. This is just probably in case this activity was performed in form of a mistake. Maybe I wanted to select horticulture and I selected technical drawing. Save this. So this is where this option comes in, remove cast details. You just come here, select the year. You see livestock farming. Is a valid subject, but technical drawing and visual art, you see, these are courses that I really like. I don't want to touch them. They are original subjects that are allowed. But look at this candidate. This course is not supposed to be in my list, so I'll remove it. Remove for all the students. If there are 1,000 students on this very subject, the subject gets removed completely. So this is the updates I wanted to bring to you. So next we are going to be looking at uploading, because I don't think anybody should be worried about how to enter your CA. You can enter your CA in two ways: subject basis and candidate basis. In case if I add one subject for each candidate, all I need to do is to come to the subject basis and include them. Is that understood? Just come to the subject basis and enter the CA by subject. But if it's by added a new candidate, I can just come to candidate basis and add it. So thank you for watching. This is NelsonJM, and see you in the next one.